or there the environment, protect the environment. Or there bombardier na say bibi called woman cinema account bibi. Or there participate in governance. Or there to aba as a Ghanaian. Into all these things are the golden rule of our constitution or the issue. But when we learn all these things now, I know my a real citizen. That's what the duties of a citizen. So if I know my duty, I will not break the law. If you know your duty, it will be very hard for you to go and sell someone thing. If you know your duty, it is very hard for you. You will know how we should cooperate, how we should mingle with our colleagues. It is a body rule by Roma is at 41. Now, no be here student will be a them article. Now, you two na yedi aboy or man looking work on them.
Yo, Damana Samanati, it's a Ghana bra book, book yani bia Lutunuku Ashe, no issue. You cannot down your constitution or Bibia without our 1992 constitution. Nefi etumina abwa na Bibia setuma akoyim. Fred, and doesn't him be nusa, and say, Auntie Himodo. Young share the youths are yet to me, I shall say. Here now, what I hear you to me be the pa, there to me, constitution, what to more about him. Another, how they treat the Titan cry.
On mana, Nimbebun a youth no. What one nim on my name to say. In Kankara, ne Mrakuin book, the Ekana, not Debbie, that to be nya and penimpa, that to be. Because the Biayako schools are Debiami in some Ame catcher, yen Mebuno Wabas on the say, yen penny for Hosiano, yen to mean someone. Kakre between and say, you bet done one, near encourage one so bad and obey the right thing. But one hour a JHS near SSDA, Mana Waba, it's a bet madden, you bet me a one. Na kakrakra wotumi yin abayem panyin pa enti mmebun wo hu hia papa that bi wotumi agina amoman so wohwe preamble na or see these are some of the things mmebun wo betumi agina so na wotumi de aboa talks about the principles of the 1992 constitution because friends saying constitution be any principle be na constitution only pillars talks about freedom, justice, probity, accountability. We can talk about galamsey and name kikaoni na. They are seeing all these things, but you said this as a commission. Say we push hard. Now Omatia say who say here. So sum take the bull by the horn. Sum krem. Na their aseno we tuegu na kakra na aiden akalwa bo ho ba no eden oboa na etumi etumpo nti imebu no hu hia papa papa owo yen impuntu.
Fred, Emira say, but sorry, under 1 minute, what advice is then? You got that all. My advice is say, you na yen pam soup. Na on my yan we, and yet 7 nipa ba and fence and not said obi bia na said inti na mo so mo yam afam di. Me to one na me ka say na ba kwan na mo fa so mo tumi nya fans mo tumi move from community to community. And you say bia what titemu bia ba 4 bia na 5 bia. Just a move from community to community. Engagement among with chiefs and events and assemblymen in Kikahu. Yamin Shawan, now yes, other stakeholders. Someone come on board. No one no one NCC applied. And yam ha near Becanipi. No one na Yanina Yambuana or my head and etumi etumpa near the ensign and fata in Nakwa. Right, about the Fred as my papa, the mum, Shannon so there. Them a Fred ever our ya pay man frying. Sir, at an RTB, a boy fiadby, a prayer board bet, mamma. You are the manager, you move. Saying in a man, Madame will pay. I owe what the maternity, Baba show if you are one age management. Name Busha anything, let the meeting. We are trying that 50 mountain, baby, able to be a year, but I shall show you by. Therefore, to me, boy. I am Costa TV Community Connect. So we are connecting our community to the TV station. Or we are connecting the TV station to the community. And it's a Ofiana Costa TV. Zayero here, Nanibu. Zayero, Kali Choma, Butomo TV. Nani to you. Data, Yarama Hinamodo. And India or Wafuti.
Yeah, Kaka make media so a friend. We share in your constitution and none. In your first Republican Constitution, second and third, and a fourth. But Nini first, second, third 1 year Juma. Last time I had the Juma 1 year Juma in there. Now you name Linzibia how to make sure that yes sustain the democracy. It's in the Padodo na constitution not the ban. And I won't see so. If I want to work you couple wounds here, it's not who the way constitution also. Into the fourth Republican Constitution, this is the first time when you're an institution here or they watch a man for what's the reason why we have a constitution and how we should make sure we protect the constitution. You see, Omani Demkada, you fail as a nation because Omani be Papa be our vision beyond. Omani be our the American federal card or what Umbebuno 100 Pibiano. Make sure the way law abiding. If they say now my wife law, only there in Brana Yedibo Mano, then Brana the Yusia. In the Kayako school, we have constitution in our library. Masa, yake, our Dako Mama Bomona means come sponsor one. Young government institutions. How many of them do have constitution? Let alone Ghana flag. Our young program, name Fred, director of an institution. Young Fred, CEO of an institution. Anchor the national anthem. That we have a program, near schools, near my school for national anthem. When we start national pledge, what we do one here over to. But we are talking about the values of constitution. How we should come together as one nation. How we should make sure the national cohesion. And these are some of the things that Okayam boom as a man. These are some of the things that Okayam boom as a nation. Now, the Devil then where are we to have it towards? The Madi Yakanian or young values so. Now, the values the constitution, but we don't have it. I know what you for young phone scrapple, we don't even open and read. Master, you better to me, no see honorable MP Bereba, another NGO Reba, or Becheska, and Kahanu, young Puya, and Yakan Wahanu Yambano. That's a Nimzina Cataliaka, what Yasha book in Muno, young Pele Copri Nimzina commanded. But these are some of the things I'm feeling against you. Or may that connect with the people. You may connect with the community and the constituencies. Near to the young, enough for me to obey, also for me to obey. We have so many things in the constitution, and I said this area in here. For you know, pipe him back. For you know, pipe yourself, baby. Ebia na said your son member crop on Nedimo Yepon on Korea. Ebia unit committee member crop on Nedimo Yeonim. These are the forums I'm feeling here. Yebo a son member Nedimo Doye. Yebo Mbua Ebia son member on here. Yebo unit committee for one sin to our home. There was assembly, they be a levies, assembly. What are they using that levies for? There was escape of assembly usually then. These are the forums I'm feeling here back. Yebesia, the Madinia, taxes are yet, and as we bad in taxes in water here. Sikari yet, about it, yeah, but the man, we engage ourselves, community development, community participation, all on the young day, your man, no man sweet to point in here. A Siam Nayaqui, made of us Papa ye. No matter management, Papa ye. Now, we want to assure you, the baby of Kobia, NCC is ever ready. You catch your there, yeah, about financial strength on your good. But we get a very good opportunity for ECC. I think maybe over how you there, friend and the 5 year in Japan. Maybe I'm why busy. But within our working environment today, we want to make sure that anything we will call on NCC, it's an opportunity for us. We'll make sure that everything they have.
About the directors, Baba, on your friend, about the second movement in Asia, we'll talk about the chapter 1 of the Constitution. It's going to go here. Oh, but if I say we be in Kakaka, that chapter 1 of the Constitution, no, but also the supremacy of the Constitution. Now saying that the supremacy on it about some Noka and the Pinocchio, and say no so and Brennan Cabia no bachelor. Into the next community, I'm Fred Director, we'll talk about the chapter 1 of the Ghana Constitution. On here, them other phone, do no always you open your read. If it's my way, it will be too much. I get now on you, a lawyer, a pay. That's a tardy biase. Demum, you did quote him, and since I had a nurse. It's about the director, Joseph Abba, Papa, that was to me and also Abba, the mouse on your friend. No, she put to me the other nurse. As I said, I travel around with it. The man Baba, now so to the Baba. Never about the other, and my Miasi. Antivero, also a time store. Our Kakumodo, lawyer, or bring me son, Hokafu. And Antivero, Mr. Papa,
Panoze pano ye anum tea no wonum kakawa chara amfa pano papa amfa anum tea amfa pano papa amfa anum tea nti antivero pano papa abotum na we bullet oya wonum area antivero oka komodo bamazina na twipini na wonsaka abaka komodo ya yero kra gas filling station pa kakra ba bo yimara source no wono no wonsa abaka aya antivero na mam yebokọ ya aya studio B yebokọ akọhia asarba kofi oluwuwura ya abaka komoni ka komoni business papa opa ye oye moto no twan plagi ya ankre ya papa ya ni hina ya na ka komodo odoso nti yerekọ na ya ko studio B asarba oye mpefu bi business kwan nti ọhwano no na mo so me pekele nkwa na ye gbankomo na ye ko hinanyim nti ndazi ahaba ya piso kura wa ya ka komodo ha ansa na ye tum na ya akọ nti ye da ye ho ya ba we bokọ oya studio B na ye asọba kofi etum na akọ twonkomo nti yan kwamra
Emra Costa Television do they get an 514 channel 54 your Go TV do channel 22 your other the guitar box biara aka every Facebook your live na YouTube or live na dem yenyim no community connect ye wo oya kamro na impempe baby ye we me ba kire baby a sa odu anapa ebi your breakfast do your cocoa do your tea do your Milo sepe coffee anampo ma wala wa kuma hwehwe da napan ebeje gubo de ebeche baby a ebi edam ezima papa no edi mena batampa mu akwa ba odima henwa
ya henwa
menyim ya antivero shop ni tin da ba na ebe na depoti na edi hugwa
me pocho shop wo friend it's time na zaye in the ye pano ye better bread ye wheat bread man wo friend brown bread no na say boso na say bia epede ye chiwo nchefua na ye de shepano no mwa ye be ya ama ye tum so ye salad na so ye zekan we bia breakfast e bia ye program bi na epede ye breakfast na ma wa ye tum ye wo rose bread a ye bo na yɛzi yɛda program ni yɛ toast na azi nyinaa
nti no kyerɛ yɛ kɛse agi orders the event biara obiri bɛyɛ ebi a ɔbɛyɛ conference anaa mpo ɔyɛ ne birthday a etum hyehyɛ no ho ndama na adana
me po chose obiri bɛyɛ ebi obiri wɔ program bi na ɔreyɛ na ɔbɛka kyerɛ yɛn dɛ ebi a yɛnyɛ breakfast na yɛtum yɛyɛ zema na ebi a yɛnyɛ rose bread yɛmfa wheat yɛnyɛ carrot bread yɛnyɛ banana bread ne nyinaa yɛtum yɛyɛ zema na yɛyɛ tea bread pan nka no wɔ friend pan ekun na yɛn ne adwuma no ma ɔtenye dɛ ma ɔyɛ sonko wɔ mi dɛ etum ze yɛn pan no to hɔ a wɔn a wɔtɔ bi no wɔdzi ho dase dɛ etum ze yɛn pan no to hɔ a ɔmbɔ etu
nti yɛrɛ kɛse bi rehwɛ wɔ YouTube a ɛnyɛmfa apart from kakondo asɔyɛ no yɛ social media handles ne pii wɔ hɔ na wo phone number ɛde bɔtu gɔ na sɛ ebi pɛrɛ ɔconnect wɔ a wetum akɔnɛto
me pɔtɔ apart from the wakakom de yɛmfa yɛn branch bi anko baby a ne nti so obi pɛ dɛ ɔfrɛ yɛn na obotum a wafrɛ yɛn wɔ 055 6862 355 055 6862 355 it's Time Ventures Ancient Bread
bread it's time ampa ya pa no nka na olofa han ohia mamu so bi hwe na so maye kwamla ya ba eboso bi ya hwe de hwara e waka komodo na ya rehwe kwafado na ya chiro bebi a ebi yanzama papa ato wo posa ha na ya reka aboboya ehu de ndei bebi ebi aboboya papa to pa wo kepko saadi onan kakomodo nti impempenya yakɔ ɔyɛ yakudi sebenkum kudam fe abobo yankote na wa park ne he ehu de ɔyɛ fɛ pa with different colors na ehwɛ tiles na ogas na ebi nka nkyerɛw de abobo yai ne ho yɛden ehwɛ tiles ne hu dampa abobo yai ne ho yɛden na ne nyinaa so robes na ta yɛbɛka ndɛ afɔfɔr nkote na yɛnye kwanpɛina no opɛina ɔda na nkɔmɔ yɛmisa dwumadzi ahorow a ɔdiri wɔ ha na mpo kɔna ɔfɔdo ɔdidi ne dwuma na no customers sɛ gyengye biara eyi wɔtɔn mu adwumayɛfo ana ankwanko biara so botum abɔtɔ ɔyɛ abobo yayi biana eyi nkɔmɔ a yɛpɛ sɛfo panyin no yɛn ni di na yɛhwɛ osanda sɛ abɔta obi gyina no nada kakundo kuro no ɔka ho ɛpa wadwuma henwa yɛabɔto constant television yɛn community connect tab yɛabɔto ɔyɛ ndzɛma ahorow yɛ os papa ogu iwu na yes ogyana nado mama misa adenjebere mogo he ana ibirime da company bi da ana woton
mo wa de nya yeton nti yeton nya
yɛka abobo ya aben types na owom
abobo ya owom types ewo Absonic do na ewo Zeko na yesan wo Solink nti mehu wa de ni bi Solink na Zeko
Solink na Zeko no difference ben na owom bahin difference no
Zeko no mo ni Q7 ewo Zeko Q7 wa esido Solink 175 on an engine no wo form but in kaya wa kan an engine 200 capacity but Solink motor ya no engine 175 na na bucket no susa but my potassium no bucket no susa 175 is no
nti no kire wa ye nseche we de obia na na hoodze obiara na na hoodze iyo nti oti de mi wa bande yeri di hu gwa ebe na ohu
oh show ebia obi ba na niskan so eme nyimpa no yɛtumi gye ne sika no toɔ na yɛsisi moto no yɛde si wɔ mo nti mmerɛ bi a yɛbɛnya biara yɛde sika no ɔsɔɔ do no na yɛto nda mo
hyɛ no de ɔyɛ hyehyɛeɛ a obi pɛyɛ nhyehyɛeɛ a no ho tew osiane dɛ ɛyɛmɛ yɛ nhyehyɛe na mo wie na kakra biara a mode babɔ sɔɔ do no nyama abobɔ yɛ amada akɔda a na no oye papa membi sɛ ana ɔyɛ adwumayɛfo nkotee ɛna ɔbɔtɔ anaa nkwankoro bi aso butum aba bɛyɛ dɛm hyehyɛ no bi
wɔkyɛ nkwankoro bi atum bɛyɛ bi ɔnyɛ adwumayɛfo nkotee ebi a yɛde to na yɛde atwe wo nyama akɔ wo site bibi elisi wo dan ebi a yɛde kɔ wɔ ha bi mu a ɛba wo so yɛbɔhwɛ
wow enti demi botum amahisi sudua bi da ikita demi sika ya eba bi nya bi susudua sika bi
wɔkyɛ bi ti dɛ zeko kill 7 day me fɛnɛ musika yɛ ikita 330 million no in the 33,000 yeah and eba bi nya dem moto na 175 so ikita 30,000 oh yeah kaniska 300 million so ebe go to menya 175 na
ɔkyerɛ ebieni na no defense nhyɛ da anyɛ ayi bia ne nyinaa bom 30,000 33,000 de na ta alufolo kra ɛhwɛ moto no ties o ebe nka nkyɛw yɛgu biara ebi rehwɛ in Facebook ebi rehwɛ in bebiara yɛakyerɛkyerɛ kwan de na mmom awo ma ɛbɛkan na nkwafo bi tin do baba bo wɔkyerɛ kwan baabi ɔwɔ ɛwɔ Cape Coast yɛmfa na ebi rehwehwɛ wa ɛbɛn kwan na ɔfɔda ne nsa bɛka wɔn
yeah wɔ Kakumudo first filling station na wegu no ɛwɔ space na ɔwɔ na yɛzia yɛwɔ Kakumudo school na nim wɔn pɛ
ɔfrawa
wɔkyɛ ebutum afran yɛ 02419 83366 and also the 0559 45 3752
bi atwemadwen egyina asɛm bi do dɛ sɛ siare mo wɔ yi na ta wɔte ba na wɔhyehyɛ akatesiaba abrantiaba no kɔna dɔdɛ ne yɛmara nkyɛ wɔhyehyɛ ana obi ɛkwan da hɔ de manana
wɔkyɛ obi bia like ne ma nkɔ wɔsua me sɛ wɔhyehyɛ no ɛkwan da woman yɛwɔ akonya wɔ hɔ ɔba yɛbɛkyerɛ no
ɔba ɔbɛgyina sika na ɔbɛkyerɛ no
oh yɛngye ne sika mu na ne ya de nyimpa no be yasuti na obobre no wase ne ya kyerɛ no adwuma no
show ya bada wase papa wa hyehyɛ bi yo ewia ya baba bɔhwɛ papa na yegudu ye ɔyɛ kakunu nkomo ya de na asɛm bi wɔ ɔyɛ ekwankran ekoko ɔhɔ ayɛ dɛ kwa hɔ ɔyɛ sika na kako no so hit okwa ɔhwɛ 1 cedi ma why ne 10 cedi 20 30 the mark is 100 Ghana ni nala epekwensa obai what the bubble na mama nyima maami ntwetwenko maami mo akwa aba wodi manyenwa memi so the more business oti de mi ɔyɛ de no bobade memi so
Tumeshe kutuna matona na madia no coins.
Coins ya esase nhwan.
Nkoda Baya 12 years ni.
12 years. Ono to business end.
Fenno ya kakala. Jamenya kaka nka o made sha mafra.
Entino boyimu nkyerema mahen. Sɛ mesesa tanga ne sida pɛnsi dodo ahene meya
bɛyɛ 9 cedi
ɔkyerɛ 10 cedi bia 1 cedi na ɔte wofi do enti sɛ ɛdetoto ahyankafo taxi ɛna pragefa hɔna no paa na wɔta ba sesa nkwansi no wɔ ha
na
ayɛ kura yɛwɔ taxi yɛwɔ tɔtɔrɔ yɛwɔ pragea ɛno bo ho abada wɔn paa wɔn no na bo ho abada dɛ wɔn adwuma esuenyi wɔ nkwansi sene no mu
pɔtɔ tɔtɔrɔ
trɔfo no wɔba hasen pragea fo ehu ɛde wɔ ase bebree eti ebusua yɛgudu yɛwɔ yaade Yawa kakum ni yade ya ma woso wonwa mfa endama nsu kra ya mama wonwa afa adepapa wakakum do na bri ya sesa sika wie echi mo bokọ hinenum mo bokọ hinenum ohia papa afa ni osi didi nkan ado it's in here Obaya special foods and drinks na ma yemo na yanye Obaya mbonkomo Obaya bla yemo nkomo ya special ebena diban party Zirubwa makakum do orutumpon kakum do orukoneyim ma me bra buchie huma him aha from Asobo Kofi no was say Manti Obaya Jirihiman Obaya Ebenado party need the go ha
fried rice jollof watching the pay rice
fried rice jollof watching no I back and moon wanted the on Pabaya Nijadi and yo inti Otsidamano Essie Jumasi about time nap another time.
Oh, my start about 8 o'clock. My brain will 12 to 11 to 12. Na map. Some market is going to tell so to me at Selpa.
Yeah, miss. Yabahun na what's a deliver guy? Deliver guy no one. But the move for net. Miss Obaya or delivery na.
But me a delivery.
Ana Denjebiara Obaya Oji Odesana.
Major orders pa.
Eti Eben orders and so say request Obaya Bayamo.
Why obey the party, wedding, naming ceremony, Nina, me Nina, no funeral, me Nina.
Ibirisha Obaya with Facebook, Ibirisha Obaya with YouTube, Ibirisha with DSTV, Ibirisha with Degetanodo, Ibirisha with Go TV. Obaya che wechi kwan na wo phone number. I'm a bit per day on you to go. One shame.
Kakumundu opposite of Kakumundu Basic School. Asonic Motors. My number is 05461222367.
To boss it, man.
05461222367.
Yeah, that's it. It's Obaya on also neda other tune. Ebusafu yambi nusa. So yaba Kakumundu yadi. Or there, Yama Adeshi, one with the Webeti, the Obofra, a Juma who are or Kodua Kakumudoniano, or the one so, what one with Jim, Ama, where we pay a dama. It's a safro, there, young Kakumudo, na Yamfa community connecting, Yamfamro, community connecting Kodiara, and na a good so, or there Okodo, my young son called Oil Studio A. Abdallah, Unsum, on Farmahin. What the Kakundo community connect no yet the bear adesha nano it's a better mercy no mum ya share you medendo wabra Umar bin Abdallah olusum na other the Akibiano or the brain yet a mercy.
I can't lose, making no get too comfortable. Now they high, swabbing low. From with this high, no one can let go. You be damn peace with a heart full of gold. Been through hell, you my heaven for real.
Oh my agency, Kasema walk on my baby. She said she there with me, for me no be one that they talk about what she dey see. I may open the once I'm in the gym working on the glutes. Girl, I can't, I know need some more. I know need some more.
She the real thing, I got the real thing. She dey match my energy. Oh yeah, real no fugazi. Yeah, she the real thing, I got the real thing. See my baby nice and sweet. Oh yeah, real no fugazi.
on my own and me, I no get issues. If I all day, I wanna take a shot to Obama. I promise on my own and me, I no get issues. Promise on my own and me, I no get issues. DJ drop the bang and make I dance with my big shoes. If I all day, I wanna take a shot to Obama. I promise on my own and me, I no get issues. If I all day, I wanna take a shot to Obama. I promise on my own and me, I no get issues. I want to forget my name when I'm on yours. If I rap, make you sing my chorus. I be the guy all these girls they want to. Pablo Esco, I get the money, I'm okay. I made nice on Tuesday, and I want to raise on it. And I ride with you, oh babe, come we could take a shot too. Temperature, if you touch me, girl, you go rise. I'm so nice, so I'm nice. Fine boy, I know they pay now. Oh my God, yeah. I made nice on Tuesday, and I want to raise on it. And I ride with you, oh babe, come we could take a shot too. I promise on my own and me, I no get issues. DJ drop the bang and make I dance with my big shoes. You shy all day, I wanna take a shot to Obama. I promise on my own and me, I no get issues. You shy all day, I wanna take a shot to Obama. I promise on my own and me, I no get issues. I promise on my own and me, I no get issues.
So, Ebusafo Yankao, 9 come for more than the Wara, your Kakomodo. Now, Orange Cherrybiara, yet the community connect, and that's no, yet the Baba a wee. Na says, yeah, it's a baby, more in fit, there you were Kakomoda, and no, West Girls High School, is the winning another winter woman, ye, another and the pay, Yama was shy. At the ya, West Girls High School by Yama, Kakondo Basic School. Answer at the Erebaban, and now waiting can. What the oya achade sonko why a training what the ama oya moframan and sana what the adoye no so what the tuado na baby okay adoye oya kakunu basic school mensa ka headmistress kwanchefu pay na odano wa ha mami muwa kwaba what ma hinwa
ya hinwa
what chabobo wudin na che wugina bio so no kweda yankasa
wo friend madam Nora Nyako oya no kwade ended the Wesley Girls for be ye hia na adoye
na adaya wosi gasidi ye woni awa baye kwanchefu pay na ede kakunu school na anon ehunu den bi be ka de oya appropriate anede on seda hia papa
ohia pa osande say yehwe Wesley Girls High School a osi kakomodo asase do and onam deminti school no serve as role model to our girls in the community. Inti fa attended the menu aje there wobey na wanye maframba ne bezi nkita ho wanye wanu ko UCC wakwa chere wan computing nimu nzama kakra ni nyina so mejize the obwa school no kan koso inti ina oye there wobey be yen da ma adoye no mefa dem akwenje ido na mada Wesley Girls High School 2004 year group there what jin kakomodo basic school ho na wobenye hen dem adoye mesre dem omompa wara one time bra na wombo so henu mu na womboa hen osane there school no oyeye school in coming bones in Kayansis and Yan Kakomodo High School. But on ye them. In see the one as a panya me own share one. Now on my 1 anniversary so on yes shonko. Medawana say.
Yanso yadase papa and Tebusia Kakomodo Basic School headmistress, Madam Nora. Ono na excellent kade ya ene bon command. Yebe janodo na yade oya community connect ni nano yade aba ewie yi na ansanan ansana yɛde baba ewie madam Nora yɛde wase imbo na yɛ papa ma yɛnye ɔyɛ Coastal Television yɛne production manager Mama V yɛne mbɔ nkɔmɔ yɛmfa dwumadin ne nyinaa no yɛmfa mbra ewie yi so far so good Kakundo community yɛbɛn no assembly member no nkɔmɔ twetwe nana no nkɔmɔ twetwe Wesley Girls High School na adɔ yɛ a wɔkɛyɛ headmistress wakyɛ ne nso ne nyinaa no mama ehu ne den
yo asaba me da se de dwumadzi inde yɛbɛdzi no wɔ ɔyɛ Kakundo community mun ɔyɛ adza ɔyɛ nkranhyɛ papa yɛhwɛ ahokeka nananom wɔdze bɛ wabɛtena yɛn nkyɛn ma yɛdzi dwumadzi na abewe yɛhu dɛ ɔyɛ fɛ assembly member unit committee for wɔbɛ wabɔ ma dwumadzi akɔdo papa ɔyɛ fɛ pa nti Kakundo fo awawe tu a wɔdze gye Coastal Television no yɛn so yɛbɔ ho abado dɛ wahwɛ ma dwumadzi a ɔte dam yɛdze ba wɔn community waboa ma wayɛ nti bibia so far so good is that eno no ebusuafo production manager manyimara the pen of bano ehimfa na eboko ana age de ye CCC nti the pen areba na ye wanyusum de ya beyi kro efi oya Cape Coast North here nti bia ye boko ye nyima ida de search not say them the penny ya ye ebie no wa ha amada pen foforo bebe bio na ya akọ south
ebusia yabada homa ase na yada oye Uncle Ben yabada Uncle Ben ase Master Filippo ana Papa Filippo waso yada wase papa ejei yada homa ase da honso waboa damara na yabada oye CEO Mrs Gifty Nyomi yada no so ase papa technical director oye Professor Kwamina Banfo ejei waso yada wase papa Omar bin Abdallah also yadawasi Mama V waso yadawasi assembly member oshe onre Kakundo yadawasi Kakundo nanano yadahu nyina se wamboa wada abo Coastal Television Monday yadi community connect no yada abraham ya kawo ne akamfa ma wada ochina oya vast day vast day no yaroko oya KFC ochina enyabi 12 o'clock pepepe na KFC ewa bini show da ma Coastal Television ye kini live wo oye KFC o Pedu Junction DVLA un opposite pepe SRC opposite pepe go filling station in Chanwape enyo inde oye State Transport Corporation won so won nchewa na KFC wo ochina adondo hina ye the vast day no yɛde ka hyehyɛ wɔ hɔ aseda no bi so yɛmfa mama vero mama vero anepe wabɔ hen ɔyɛ breakfast ɛhwɛ chifua na paano a ɔde saladi ɔda yɛm ahyɛ ma mama vero mbɔ ne yɛ pa mama vero yɛde wase osanda yɛnyɛ wanta anepe ahoɔden na anyɛ kase enyo yɛde wase pa wamboa ɛda boa Coastal Television mbɔ ne yɛ nti abusua wasa nya bre na de hwɛ da hwɛ no Facebook ana YouTube no ɛde homa se papa na yɛne brother ɔyɛ Kwame na enyo awɛse dɛ we maranche de biara wɔ Kakundo osana Kakundo hawo no wɔn fada koro wɔn fanka Kwame na wɔ Facebook yɛde wase wo message yɛde bɛ no yɛde wase obiara ɔde message bɛ a yanka no fa nkyɛn yɛmbre ne nti fa nkyɛn papa nti yɛda Kakundo mani na Kofebu etodanan Kakundo hen no yijasen wo gwata isa cancer yɛda homase ebusia yɛmo nyina mbɔ na hwa a ahenewa abraw enyado onyinda no yɛwɔ no ɔkyena
It is finished. My yellow babano, Mr. DJ, Mamu Jimmy Bina, Daddy Lum, bueno, yet you bet me, Meswana Miko. Then you don't want Yamana, Daddy Lumba, bueno, Aquanu me, Emreswa Namiko Jumanity baby ba Ami Munyo Papa Masamyo Masamni Mama Samana Walkeyo Now I drop it Namabuama Bounce and no de Mashe Children Osama You black the Jimmy Mabuama Bounce and no de Mashe Children Osama You black the Jimmy So beating it onto ada da sana samtu da teleris no ibi na militi yo abla boy okun jerry akamenko enyi bi enyi yanko amotenya my school oboju ba so padel no anso she Injumia, first day I'm at the Busia, Shazamina, Moshaya, Simeunda. Finally, DJ dropper, Namabuama, bounce and no the message. Osama, you black the Jimmy. Mabuama, bounce and no the message. Osama, you black the Jimmy.